Here we go.
Top of the rock.
So, can I ask questions? Is that when I come back I could record from here, right?
No,
it's okay.
It's on the opposite side. This is only one-way traffic.
Only one-way truck? So I could, if I turn on the video, I could turn on from here, right? When I come back, I cannot come back this way?
No.
No? Oh, okay. I will start turn my video from here.
So make the picture now.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, everybody. This is the first floor.
Make it a little bit bigger, please. No. Can you make it a little bit brighter? Too dark. Brightness.
Oh. Hello, science, daily walkers, Yuris, VHBs. Okay, all this thing here on the main floor, this on the first floor. And rear case. That is what they see, they do. It's not too many people coming thanks. It's by myself, man. That's good. There's nobody close to me. That's awesome. That's good. Hey, that's good. All right. Who check it? Kaka. Hello, Kaka. I think these are all celebrities. They're celebrities. You know, celebrities come to visit here. SpongeBob. You got a SpongeBob. Stay with me lie longer. SJ, hello SJ, Monica, Alexandra, 9 o'clock. So you could come here. Open from 12 o'clock to 9. You stay here. You want to stay as long as you want.
The drawing is pretty good. Huh? The drawing is pretty good. Thank you. Enjoy, everybody.
Hey buddy, let's go. We are on the top now. 40 seconds. It's like a reels or reels. Oh. Athena, Mimi. Hello, Athena. Hello, Mimi. Whoa. Whoa. See, they got her shoes.
One of my favorite things to see from the observatory is the
Phones.
you can guide your eye by following Fifth Avenue straight up, and it leads you right to the
Secret lights.
It's one of the most iconic experiences. You must see.
Glass, eyeglass, and the clocks. Phones and the tights. 1931st. Still have here. Look at that.
One of the most memorable moments for me in Harvard Student was the day that I met Serene McKellen and Sir Patrick Stewart.
Big,
I'm a big
car,
sci-fi nerd, so this was perfect for me. They came out of the elevator, and Serene McKellen pointed out my name tag and said, "Oh my God, it was the greatest thing."
Okay, make sure you guys, make sure everybody enjoy it. Hit the like button. Thank you so much. Bradley, I'm not sure yet. I want to show you guys here because very important. Times Square, you got a lot of time to go there. I could. If you want to come by yourself, you come on this floor, 86th floor. That's what you spend, $42 and include tax, plus tax. I don't know how much tax, but I bought $75 and plus tax $6, and it charged me fees because buy online $2. If you want to come, that's what I get all this information that let you know. So now you don't want, you cannot afford to pay it, just enjoy my videos. Make sure you hit the like button. Thank you so much. Condition, not air condition. They got a heat here, keep you warm here. Christina. And not too many people come in, that's awesome. Maxons. No, still 102s. I still have to go one more floor. 102 Maxons. Observation decks. You come from like the first floor and observation decks, and you cannot go all the way to the 102s. And Brenda, hello, Luca, beautiful. $83, $75 you bought online. Because you buy online, they charge you $2 for fee. If you want to spend your credit card, you come here. They have machine too. And then you don't cost your $2. Oh, sorry guys. Yes. observation deck. This floor. Yes. Woohoo! You know where it is? The edge over there. And the malls. You see the mall buildings? I made for you. I made for you, Coral. I made for you, everybody.
Ya está sudando.
Inside balconies. So you could see this here, the edge where the Hudson Judge. See the edge over there? Maybe the next one should go in there.